importance of education in today's generation. Today, I want to talk about something vital to our future. The importance of education in today's generation in a rapidly changing world. Education is no longer just about getting a job, it's about equipping ourselves to thrive. Global challenges, image of interconnected warm up. We face unpredicted global challenges, climate change, economic instability, technologically disruption. These complexities demand critical thinking, problem-solving skill, and adapting qualities for fostered by a strong education. Without this skill, we risk being left behind. Economic opportunity, image of people working in diverse field. Education is the key to economic opportunity. A well-educated workforce is more productive, innovation, and competitive. It drives economic growth, creates jobs, and improve living standard for every higher your education level, the greater you earn potential and career choice. Personal growth and well-being, image of happy, engaged individual. Beyond economic benefits, education empower personal growth and well-being. It broaden our horizon, foster creativity, and enhance our ability to communicate and collaborate effectively. Education help us become well-rounded individual capable navigating life complexities with confidence. Social responsibility, image, community engagement. Finally, education, qualitative social responsibility, inform and educate citizens are better equipped to participate in domestic progress, advocate for positive change, and contribute to the well-being of their communities. Education empower us to be active and responsible members of society. In conclusion, education is not merely a pathway to a better future. It is the foundation of the better future. It equips us to meet the challenges of today and build a brighter tomorrow. Let's invest in education, not just ourselves, but for the generation to come. Thank you.